Hey guys, what's up? It's time for
Meme Review.
what's that you say? It's already been done? Are there no ideas left for YouTubers? Can no new YouTubers rise? No, PewDiePie's already taken over YouTube, but that won't stop me from trying. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make cheesecake. That's right, after you watch this video, you'll be able to make the cheesiest cheesecake, nope, the cakiest cheesecake, nope. You'll be able to make cheesecake after you watch this video. Alright, first step, bake the cheesecake. First off, you gotta find a recipe that suits you. Not all recipes will be for you. You have to find the one that was made for you. Find it, treasure it, care for it, and if you love it, let it go. Once you find that perfect recipe, then on to the next step, baking the cheesecake. Sorry. Okay, next up, you have to gather the ingredients. I personally like to get my ingredients from the cheapest places possible. I like to go to the local restaurants, dumpsters, the woods, my neighbor's pantry. Those are all great places to get ingredients because most of the time you can get them for free. Once you've gathered the required ingredients, you can bake the cheesecake. I guess we preheat the oven first, and then we cook the cheesecake. I mean, what else could there possibly be to do? Oh, right. Before you cook the cheesecake, you have to return all the ingredients you gathered, unless, of course, you got them from your neighbor, because we all know they don't deserve those ingredients back. And then you go to Walmart and pick up a pre-made cheesecake. Wow. And then you bake the cheesecake. Once you've baked the cheesecake, then you have a cheesecake and a brand new box to live in. I'd like to give a shout out to KysonComedyKidd for suggesting this video idea to me. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. That's it for today. Please like this video if you want to see more content like this. And if you want to see different content, still like the video and just comment down below what you would rather see me do. And if you have any ideas for more advice that I can give, then also put it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with all your friends. See you next time.